here is a privacy policy that I've created for better health and fuller life. And let me show you how this works. Let's log into Better Health, Fuller Life. Hang on just a moment. Let me get that up. Okay, so we're going to log into the WordPress part of Better Health, Fuller Life. And we're going to go here, Pages. Now, you can do this in WordPress. You can do this in HTML. Depending on what your site's built on. You can do it in either way, and I'll show you. It doesn't matter, but I'm going to show you how to do it in WordPress. If you have a programmer, then just give the code to your programmer. I'm going to go here to Get Code, Preview, Modify, Get Code. Then I would grab this little snippet of code right here, and I'd copy that. I go to my pages, and here I've already got a page created. I'm going to just click Edit so you can see how it's done. Now, some of you may come into your editor and you may have the visual turned on. It's not in visual. You want to go over here to text, and you're going to paste that code. Did I erase it? So I'm going to paste that code right there, and I'm going to click Update. Now it is there twice, so I'm going to update it. Now it's there once. Good. Okay, now I'm going to log out of this account, and you're going to see what it looks like. So I'm going to log out. And we're just going to go to the domain. And if we scroll down here to the bottom, where we have privacy policy, we can see there's the privacy policy intact with the trust seal at the very bottom. Now with the trust seal, one of the nice things about the trust seal is if somebody says, let's see, it says you're a verified member, let's check this. We click this, and a little pop-up comes up and says, FTC Guardian verifies that the following person, entity, listed as a member in good standing with FTC Guardian. Verified business, information you put in, and your address, and that you've verifies that the member described as above also agrees to our code of conduct, which you agreed to when you became a member of FTC Guardian. It is part of our click-through agreement that you clicked on to become a member when you logged in. So that is that. Now, let's say I wanted to change something on here. I saw this, and I saw something I wanted to change. So what I would do, we'll just go over here real quick. This is where the document was created. I'm going to log down here, go down here. You can see how easy this is to change. I want this to be bold. Maybe I want this to be bold. You could go down and bold all of them. I don't want to do all that, but I see down here that I made a mistake on the email address or something like that. And I want to change this to, a lot of people do this, they create an email address for compliance. Compliance, and you might do something like at, so the bots don't pick it up, at health. There we go. So I save changes. Done. Now I come over here and I just refresh this. And you notice already that was bold, bold. And we scroll down here, we should see the address changed. Compliance with the @ sign. Better Health. Everything is there. So you can see how easy that is to use.